more systems, new functions, a better user experience and faster time to market. The demands on software development are higher than ever before. But how can these demands be met without exploding development costs? The answer is industrialization. Yes, software development has also taken the step into modern industrial manufacturing. With a highly industrialized factory across all teams, products and infrastructures, digital products can be realized efficiently and automated. With the help of a holistic tool, planning, development, building, testing, deployment, operation, release and maintenance of digital products are continuously optimized. As a result, agile teams no longer have to deal with manual tasks. Instead, they can focus on developing new features and improving quality. The focus is always on the optimal interaction of teams, products, and infrastructure. With this modern approach, you gain more value for money, a faster time to market, better product quality, and top qualified professionals, so that you can continuously deliver value for your customers. Curious? Let's talk about your future.